What is up, guys? Tony Tone back again with another review. So today I'm going to be trying another of the limited edition Blizzards from Dairy Queen. I reviewed the tiramisu cake one about 3 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. And then I saw a commercial for this and I was like, okay, I'm all over this. So this is it's the Frosted Animal Cookie Blizzard. And it's melty, so I'm just gonna, get it a little off the top here. That is definitely a blizzard. So it's got the little pink frosted animal cookie pieces. So let's give that a shot. It's interesting. The cookie pieces are actually super crunchy. Normally, if a cookie like this has been sitting in dairy for as long as it has, which is about 5 or 6 minutes, it will be soft as, wet bread. But it's super crunchy. That is really good. And I love frosted animal cookies. And you mix that with the soft serve from DQ. You got yourself a winner. Man. That is really good. I mean, it's very simple. It's just vanilla soft serve and the animal cookie pieces, but it works. So, for the pink frosted animal cookie blizzard, we'll give that a 4 out of 5. It's good. It's nothing crazy. It's not reinventing the wheel, but it's got great flavor. It's a great concept, and it's an overall good blizzard. So I highly recommend, if you like the frosted animal crackers, give this blizzard a try. And if you have, let me know what your thoughts on it are in the comments below. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Share it so someone else can see it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in the next review. Peace.